about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say.
Hi everybody. So today we're going to be unboxing these cast iron skillets. I wanted to share this unboxing with you guys because, as I told you in my previous videos or my upcoming video, I am currently obsessed with pink, and so I found these at Macy's and I wanted to share them with you guys. So let's go ahead and open them up and see what they look like. I'm so excited. This is my first set of cast iron skillets, so I'm interested to see how well they are going to cook. I didn't get no scissors. They got this bad boy sewed up. This is box one. This brand is BergHOFF, if I'm saying that correctly. Oh, it's heavy. Looking more like a mauve pink in person. Good and heavy. Okay. Alright, so that's the first one. And they sent them in two separate boxes. So that's the other box. Alright, this is the other one. The grill. The lines in it for that grill effect. It's a nice size. Heavy. Alrighty. So we have a Neo 2-piece cast iron skillet, 11-inch grill pan, and a 10-inch fry pan in pink. And I got this 2-piece set. It was originally like $2 something. I have to put the specific regular price in the description. But after it was on sale, and then I had like some birthday coupons, so I ended up getting both pieces for like $1 something, like $110 or something like that. I'll put the specific amounts in the description. But I had originally saw this set with like a set of 3 or 4, and the set was like sorry, that's my baby's toy. This is real life. But I saw the set for like $400 at like Target, and you know how the algorithm is, it keeps showing you the stuff until you buy it. So I saw it at Macy's on sale for the 2 pieces, so I figured I would just start with these 2 pieces, and if I really liked them, then I would keep it. So so you can get a closer look. And this is the other one up close. Very pretty. And I'm in this whole era where I am buying things that I like. I want to have fun while I'm cooking, and I want to cook more, so this is my start to that. And so thank you for joining me for this video. If you have any questions about these, just let me know, and you can add them at the bottom of this video, and once I have an answer for you, I will respond. Thank you for watching. Share, like, subscribe to the channel, and till next time, see y'all later. Bye.
Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine